Because my man Chris already needs a car.
That's right. Buying a new car.
I can't be having walking everywhere like high school.
All right, guys, we're truck shopping. No, I don't like this. This bumper shit. Yeah.
This ugly man.
Yeah, no.
This truck right here though. This is a nice truck. You have to get the controls now.
I want the EcoBoost. I gotta find EcoBoost.
Yes, dog. That's the only one I want.
Yeah,
just
man.
for the boost. That's it.
Yeah, I gotta get the EcoBoost.
Right there.
Stan, what do you think of this one? You think it's open? Well, I need to see the inside. What you guys think? FX2. Isaac. So we're car shopping today, man. What you think?
I like this one most.
The blue? Let's pick up the red. So the blue one, man. But they got a white Lariat over there. It looks nice. But this one has cloth seats. This blue has cloth seats. Let's bring in the key for this one. Take a look, guys. What do you think? And no line jet? This one pressure range. 15, 16 for 100, 1,000 miles on it, 103.
Is that what you were targeting?
Yeah, this is perfect, Jet. I wanted darker seats, but the tan seats are fine. What do you guys think? Hop on in. Alright, guys. So this is the inside of the Lariat. I think it has a remote start too.
Room back here. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm comfortable.
Take a look, guys. What do you guys think? It's nice.
Be right back, sir.
No problem. We're going for test drive, guys. Screw it. But this thing is nice. Okay. Got a sunroof. We'll see, man. We might have to pick this up this week.
Definitely roomy.
Alright, guys, just went for a test drive in this Lariat.
So when you want to save money, you're gonna save it. They're really economy. And if you want to use a turbo, they're gonna deliver the car that you want.
Exactly.
There's F-150 Lariat. So what you thinking, Isaac?
Is it single turbo?
Dual, twin turbo. You got intercooler here, and then the turbos are down
So
below.
replacing for the new.
Yeah, they're doing a 2.7, it's 3.5, 2.5. What do you got, an X4? It's nice. Some big intercooler. That's the luxury one. It's the same truck. It's the FX4.
13 over there.
Yeah.
Which one is this one?
This is the. Let me check. I think it's the 13 as well.
Seen that, Chris?
What do you? Yeah, it's the Raptor.
I'm ready to get to the city stand in the porch. Yeah, that's always in my car. Mercedes.
Is it open? Oh, yeah, it's open. It's a nice Raptor. Only thing is, these come with a 6.2 V8. I don't know if I can afford the gas on this. Let's go ask my dad and see what the gas on this will be.
80, 90. But it's 100 when the gas is expensive.
Price right. Stand on the inside and see how it looks. You have like different eyes that point stuff out.
It's good.
Here we go, guys. We got a FX4 in blue. So Raptor right here. SPT. I don't know, guys. Where is it? There it is. Alright, so I just found this other FX4. This one is This is new. I didn't see this here yesterday. Let me take a look. Let me show you guys how it looks. Yeah, this one's definitely lifted. But look at that bumper. That bumper on the blue one is a lot smaller than it is on this one. I don't know, guys. Between this one and the blue one over there.
Blow on the inside.
Yeah, this is Alcantara.
Oh yeah, that's what you call it.
Yeah, it's coming Alcantara. Yeah, I didn't see this here last time we came here. This one's nice. Let me come take a look at the front and see.
Transponder.
So this black one, you said it had 187,000 miles on it? You said one?
Repossessed it.
You said it's 187?
187.
Yeah, that's too much mileage.
And it's 13,007.
It's clean though. 187 is way too high. Alright, this might be the one, guys. So this silver one came in. Oh, this might be EcoBoost. Oh, this one's nice.
Yeah. Yes, come in.
Okay, let's see. You have the key for this one or no?
Yes, yes. Get it.
Okay.
The blue one, you don't know.
Yeah, this one is too much mileage. Yeah, we'll go with the blue one. It's clean though.
The blue one is very clean.
Yeah.
Ain't no only that. I'm very honest.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong. We got that one, but that one's another one came in today. Those two.
Yeah.
But that one it's 176.
Time to do paperwork. See how this goes. Alright guys, so I'm currently at work, but let me show you the truck real quick. I was going to show you guys yesterday, but it kept raining, so let me show you. Here she is, guys. My 2013 FX4 EcoBoost, of course. This is the truck. Got a lot of fishing trips planned for this, a lot of road trips. Take a look at that. There's a lot of buttons I got to figure out. I mean, it's a lot of things I don't know how to open. Like I just learned how to open that back window by holding this top button up here. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty clean. Yeah, I just learned that. I literally just learned that this morning. We have a sunroof. But yeah, guys, this is the truck we went for. It's pretty nice. I can't wait to go on a fishing trip. But yeah, guys, there she is. The new whip.